This electrical safety review for Mariners is presented in two parts. Part 1 looks at simple electrical theory, typical electrical systems, and basic safety. Part 2 is a more in-depth review of power distribution systems and professional procedures for qualified electrical workers. The total course is about electrical hazards in our workplace and at home. 5. Important differences between residential and shipboard electrical systems. When looking at the potential damage to the body from an electric shock, current is what we need to be concerned with. Assume a person has a hand-to-hand resistance of 2,000 ohms. This person contacts a normal household. For example, switching off an improperly wired lamp may turn the light off, but leave unexpected parts like the lamp shell energized. Industry standard risk assessment tools. The selection and use of test instruments. Establishing an electrically safe, de-energized work condition. In an ungrounded shipboard system, the unintentional or accidental grounding of a single conductor will not produce enough fault current to trip a breaker and stop the affected equipment. It also reduces the chance of an arcing ground fault, which is especially GFCIs will not work properly on ungrounded systems. The chief engineer should determine the type of distribution Anyone system. Unfortunate enough to be near the heat of an arc flash and the pressure wave of an arc blast risk burns, ear and eye damage. We surveyed the range of work practices that help keep us safe, from industry standard risk assessment tools, to the proper selection and use of test instruments, to the specific steps required to establish an electrically safe, de-energized work condition, and to perform lockout-tagout procedures. Hazard analyses, electrical work permits, shock and arc approach boundaries, and the selection, use, and care of the specialized PPE designed for electrical workers. Finally, we examined some precautions associated with specific equipment: circuit breakers, fuses, switch gear, control centers, transformers, arc welders, and batteries.